How pretty are these eyes? They're a little bit sparkly. They're not over the top. They're really nice and feline, and you can wear them in the evening as well. So I absolutely love this, and I love this palette because I feel like there's so much you can create with it. And we're back with another educational beauty video, and this time we're doing a holiday golden eye makeup look. It's perfect for the festive season. I can't wait for you guys to actually see these products because I'm in love with them. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so come say there hi too. Now let's head straight into the video. Are we all excited about the festive season? Well, I know I am, and I'm really excited to create this look because it's warm, it's cozy, it's holiday all over, and it's golden. So, okay, we're gonna get started. I've done the rest of my face. I just haven't done my eyes, and I still need a bit of kind of like glow and some blush. So we're gonna move on, and we're gonna start with the eye makeup. I'm using the new Sigma Holiday Collection. This is the Warm Wishes eyeshadow palette. It's absolutely amazing. I love it because I feel like you've got the right kind of matte shades in there, and you've also got the right type of kind of really nice warm sparkly shades in there. So I feel like it's perfect for the holiday season because you can make it a little bit more sparkly if you want to, and you can also make it a little bit more matte if you want to, or you can combine the two. Now, I always kind of like wing it on my looks because I don't like to plan things, and I feel like I like to go with my creativity and see where it takes me. So I'm going to start off with one of my brushes. I'm using my Sigma E45 brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Flannel. And it's a really nice kind of, it's a good transitional shade, but it's also good for that kind of socket area. So I'm taking it into my socket here. So just above the ball of the eye, right where the kind of the indent is, above the ball of the eye. And I'm just using the tip to create a really nice kind of defined crease there. And because the tip is quite nice and sharp, you get that really nice precision there. And I take it a little bit above because I want that crease to kind of like open up my eye. I don't want it to close it up. And if you need more, you can always dip into that color again. So I'm just basically moving it side to side. So you can start to see how we've got really nice definition here, and it's a bit kind of flat there. So I'm not going all the way in, like I'm not going all the way into the inner corner, and I'm also not touching the end of the lash line here. I'm kind of like stopping a little bit before the end of the lash line, and obviously not taking it too far in there either. So I really like the way that this looks. I think we've got a really good kind of like definition going on there. Sometimes when you're applying a dark shade into the socket area, I can feel like sometimes the color's a little bit too warm, or it's a little bit too dark, like really dark. So I feel like this is a really good color. Obviously it does depend on your skin tone too, but I'm personally loving this shade because I feel like there isn't any specific kind of, it's not too cool, it's not too warm either. So yeah, I like it. It's perfect for my skin tone. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade Flicker, and this is like that beautiful kind of like gold color, and we're going to apply this all over the lid. I'm going to try not to go too close to my lash line because I actually want to make that a little bit dark after. So if you apply this all over, you're going to find it a little bit hard for that dark shade, like almost like a liner look, to kind of stick to that lash line area. So I always like to leave a little bit of a gap there. So all I'm doing is it's on my finger here, and I'm just going to like press it. Wow, this pigment is so good. So good. Look at that. It's so nice and sparkly. Oh, this is like perfect. This is so holiday season. I'm really like, I feel Christmassy already. I feel like festive already. So I'm not going above where I've applied that kind of definition in the socket, and I'm not going too far out. I'm just kind of like filling that lid area. So it's a nice semicircle, and I'm just pressing, by the way. I'm not kind of rubbing. Now I'm going to get one of my brushes. This is the E25 brush. It's a really good blending brush. Now what I'm going to do is use the tip to basically just kind of like touch the edges of this. I don't want to touch the inside part of where I've applied it. I literally just want to touch the edges so it kind of doesn't look so harsh there. That is literally it. Now you can always go in to kind of like press a little bit more on. I think that's a good amount. Now this is where I am going to use my E75 brush, which is my angled brush, and the shade Chestnut. And I'm going to create a really nice kind of like soft liner look, but with eyeshadow. It's a really dark brown. And I'm going to press it kind of really close to the lash line all the way along. So I'm not dragging the brush anywhere. And you'll see when you do this why it's so important to leave that little gap there. I love this brown. It's just like the perfect kind of liner color without being black, you know? Okay, I'm drawing like a liner look, so I'm kind of lifting it at the end. So you can see I created a liner look there, but I've made it a little bit thicker at the end. And now I'm going to start lifting it up because I really want a like really nice lift here. Okay, see that really nice kind of liner finish there? I like that. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I wanna kind of like smudge the edges just a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh because I didn't actually do it very neatly. I'm gonna use my E21 brush. It's a really good smudge brush from Sigma. And basically there's nothing on this. And all I'm doing is touching the very edge of what I've applied. So not the actual liner, but just the edge of it. I'm slowly going across and kind of like going side to side and moving across, going side to side, moving across, side to side, moving across. And I'm touching the edge, side to side, moving across, side to side. And when you get to the end, you can just use your finger to drag it out a little bit. So now I feel like that's a bit softer. So just pressing it on. Let's do the same thing we did. So we just touch the edges. That's literally it. You don't have to spend too much time doing a lot of the kind of like steps. You just want to really get the job done, and that's it. Don't spend too long there and then you start overcomplicating it for yourself. Okay, now we're going to go into that dark shade and apply that liner. Okay, so remember we're pressing. Okay, we're going to get that smudge brush. We're just going to like go side to side and move across, side to side, move across. And then use your finger if you need to like just drag it out. You can use any mascara, honestly, it doesn't matter because we're putting lashes on. I'm gonna let the glue dry a little bit, and in the meantime, I'm gonna use my E30 brush from Sigma, and I'm using the shade Frost, just a little bit because I don't like too much kind of like, you know, like spotlight on the inner corner, but just a little bit sometimes does kind of like give a really nice effect. And I am going to go into that flicker shade with the same brush, and I'm just going to like touch this bit here. I really love how this looks here when you apply a little bit of kind of like gold shimmer there. I'm just going to like press it in and then with my finger glide it across so that any excess kind of goes. Okay, let's get these lashes on. So I'm just gonna put these on here. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little bit of eyeliner and just like fill in this section here. Just kind of like in between where the false lash starts and my inner corner. I absolutely love this brush. This is the E55 brush. The reason I love this is because it actually fits it. It's the perfect brush for your lower lash line eyeshadow. It's amazing. So what I'm gonna do is go into my flannel shade, and I'm just basically gonna just press just underneath. Because it's so like subtle, it will give me a little bit of kind of depth there, but nothing crazy. And then just a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. How pretty are these eyes? They're a little bit sparkly. They're not over the top. They're really nice and feline, and you can wear them in the evening as well. So I absolutely love this, and I love this palette because I feel like there's so much you can create with it. Now, we are gonna kind of like finish off with a little bit of kind of like color on the cheeks, some glow, and then also a little bit of like lip color. I really love this shade, by the way. This is such a stunning shade. So I'm gonna just apply this. You can see it's really nice and nude. Now I like to kind of like blot this. That's so nice. Now you know that I don't like too much glow on my face, so we are going to go with just a little bit. Now I'm using my Soft Blend 60 brush, And I'm going to apply a little bit of this glow from the Glisten and Glow palette. A little bit, and just kind of like along here. It's just enough to be able to be seen. Just a little bit. Like, it's not like crazy, you know, it's not like a streak across my face. And okay, I'm gonna go into this blush because it's so nice. And I don't want too much of it, but just a little bit. Very, very subtle because, guys, I've got like a lot going on with my eyes, so I don't want like too much. So I just apply this near the tops of the cheekbone. There, that's enough. That's really nice. This color is so pretty. Like, you still look healthy and kind of like glowy and just healthy. What do you think? I really love it. You know what I really do love about this highlight is it isn't chunky, and I feel like it gives me more of that kind of lit from within glow, as opposed to like I said earlier, like a streak of highlighter there randomly that looks so separate to the rest of my skin. So I like how it just blends in so seamlessly, but a lot of that has to do with the brushes as well, to be honest. Now, I really wanted to kind of show you these products because I know that I show you a lot about Sigma brushes, because I absolutely am obsessed with Sigma brushes. And don't obviously forget that I do have a discount code with them. It's in the description below, or it will come up on the screen. But I really did want to kind of like share with you a lot of these products that are currently out in terms of makeup with you. They have so many nice kind of like holiday collections, which I personally feel are perfect if you want to gift someone or you just want to treat yourself. Put something under the tree, a little treat for yourself. But yeah, like you have this winter romance, sorry, I just like smacked the box there for some reason. I have a winter romance makeup collection. It's really, really nice. Like, you have everything in there, which has like the eyeshadow palette, the cheek and glow palette, and you get different kind of like options. So you also have this, which is, I'm sorry, but how cute is this? It's so soft. It's like a furry, and it opens up like this. How cool is that? And it has a strap. It has a strap, and it has brushes in there, and it's just like, oh, it's so cute. It has brushes in there, which is amazing anyway. So you've got this, which is really cute because you can keep all your makeup in it, but you can also use it as a really nice, it's actually really, really good for like the festive season because it looks like a cloud, or it looks like snow. Yeah, it's really, really cute. I love it. So there's so many different options here. And I know how hard it is to kind of like find stuff as gifts for people. So I really wanted to show you. You have other stuff as well. By the way, look how sparkly that is. That's like a really, really cute makeup case with other stuff in it. Like, there's just so much stuff you can get. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you how you can create the most amazing and flawless and sparkly kind of like holiday golden eye makeup look using these products. And they're so sleek, by the way. So light, they're not heavy, they're not clumpy, they're really, really light, easy, like that's all you need. So yeah, I just wanted to really share that with you, and I hope that you are getting ready for the festive season and you're so excited the way that I am. Fun fact for you guys, and I know some of you may kind of like gasp in horror, I've never tried a pumpkin spice latte. Fun fact, guys, I'm going to be heading to New York soon, so I think I might try it. Let's be a little bit adventurous. Yeah, I haven't tried that, and I don't know why everyone's crazy over it, but probably because I haven't tried it. But I tell you what I am obsessed with is the peppermint mocha. Absolutely love it. But I think I'm going to try it's just random facts there for you, but it's because of the holiday season, which I'm so excited about. I do hope you have the most blessed day, and I hope you get everything you want out of today. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. Now, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.